Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today is 12th of January 2026 and today's article is about Bhairav Battalions to debut in Army Day Parade in Jaipur on January 15. So this article is important with the view of military news also. So let's start reading about it. The army's the army's newly raised modern warfare force, the Bhairav Battalion, will participate in the Army Day Parade for the first time in Jaipur on January 15. A senior army officer confirmed that the two Bhairav battalions will participate in this year's parade. Southern Command's two Bhairav battalion, known as the Desert Falcons, and the Southern West Command's four Bhairav battalion. The war cry of the two Bhairav battalion is Raja Ramchandra ki Jai. On Sunday, the army shared a video on its official X handle showcasing the Bhairav battalion, highlighting the army's focus on unmanned warfare. The officer said we are creating a pool of over 1 lakh drone operative across the force. The operatives are capable of handling drones and employing them in real operations to target bases and formations inside the enemy territory. Raised by Army headquarters by drawing lessons from global conflicts as well as India's own operational experience, including the recent Operation Sindoor, the Bhairav Battalion are designed as high-speed offensive unit capable of executing special forces tasks at multiple levels depending on operational requirements, the officer added. So far, the Army has raised 15 Bhairav battalions deployed across formations along borders. The officer said adding plans are underway to raise about 25 such battalions in total in the near future. Bridging the gap. The battalions are intended to bridge the gap between the para special forces and regular infantry units, enabling them to conduct special operations from tactical to operational depth. Modern warfare modern warfare is changing at a very rapid pace. Today's conflicts are hybrid in nature, and forces must be fully equipped with modern technology to meet these challenges, the officer said. The officer added. The Bhairav Battalion are part of force restructuring and have been raised in line with new technologies, evolving thought processes, and emerging operational requirements, the officer said. As part of a broader transformation of army has also created Rudra brigades in integrating all arms formation combining infantry, mechanized units, tanks, artillery, special forces, unmanned aerial systems along with dedicated logistics and combat support. Additionally, artillery, mechanized infantry, and armored are being equipped with advanced capabilities, including drones and modern battlefield systems to enhance operational effectiveness in future conflicts. So let me explain you about this article. So this article is about Bhairav Battalion, which is being taking participate, which is being participating in Army Day Parade on 15th of January in Jaipur. So the two battalions will be taking part in that, and uh, the two Bhairav battalion is known as Desert Falcon, and the Southern West Command 4th Bhairav battalion is also there. And the war cry of two Bhairav battalion is Raja Ramchandra ki Jai. So they are basically why actually the question is what is the need for Bhairav battalion? So they are being there to bridge the gap between the para SFs, means para special forces, and the regular infantry units. And these have been trained a lot of in accordance with the drones also, battlefield systems also, right? And talking about as recently जो अभी ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हुआ था उसके एक्सपीरियंस से ये पता चला है कि हाई स्पीड ऑफेंसिव यूनिट कैपेबिलिटीज की जो फोर्स टास्क होती है वो एक बनानी चाहिए. That's why the reason why these were raised. So this is a very good news talking about the Indian Army. And thank you for patient listening.